Displaying your selection. We use forms to display a record. We have a choice, display form or edit form. The display form will give us a read-only view of our record, whilst an edit form lets us both edit, view, and create new. Let's learn more by watching the following video. Let's start by creating a new screen. Select blank screen from the menu at the top of the screen. Select Insert from the menu at the top of the screen and select Component. Rename your screen and component. Now that we have our new screen, let's insert the edit form. Select Insert from the menu at the top of the screen. Preceded by Input, then Edit Form. Change the data source property value to the environment variable we created for the SharePoint list. We now change the item property value to the variable that we created on the OnSelect property of the data table. Once we have our edit form on the screen, we can decide what fields to display by selecting Edit Fields from the property pane to the right of the screen. Let's change the layout property value to vertical, and finally the snap to columns property value to off. Forms are a series of data cards that reflect the values, properties, and validations of the column in which it's been generated. Adjust the form so it appears as you would like. To edit a card, you must first click on the Advanced tab from the property pane to the right of the screen and unlock the card. You can either use the Properties pane or mouse to readjust the data cards using its placeholders. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.